where to use the gentle resonance technique in your day, making it a lifestyle choice and not just a New Year's resolution. The idea is to not have to make time for gentle resonance, but to use times of your day when you really already aren't doing anything and your mind is free to start thinking and getting down into its stresses. So try gently resonating instead. If you can find an hour to do gentle resonance, or if you really need to focus on a problem or you're having massive anxiety attacks or going through grief of some nature and need to release emotion, then it's a good thing to stop and make some time, make an hour for doing the gentle resonance. But otherwise, there's no problem with just doing it through your normal day when you're doing other things. So you never have to stop to do it. And it can become part of your routine from when you get up to when you go to bed at night. So these are some of the places where I've been known to do it. It doesn't draw a lot of attention to yourself. So it's something that you can do, though creating strange sounds does sometimes have people looking at me funny. But the more I've started to do it, the more I've realised I think they're actually aware in their body of something going on there, and it draws their attention to me. So that makes me want to actually share what I'm doing with people. Some suggested places to bring it into your day. Whenever you're waiting in a queue, you can practice it. It's a perfect time. On the train on the way to work, while driving. Driving is my favourite place. You can scream at the top of your lungs if you want and no one's going to hear you. They just think you're singing to the radio if they see you. When I'm in a crowd and feeling uncomfortably aware, I've got nothing else to do, it's a time to do it. When I'm staring at my phone, I can do it. At home anytime, during night time when I wake up, in bed before I fall asleep. First thing in the morning while I'm sat on the toilet. First thing in the morning when I'm grinding coffee. When I take the dog out for a walk, I'm going to be meditating. I'm going to be using gentle resonance. Anywhere there's loud music, you can make a noise. Cleaning the flat, another perfect example. Whenever you need to make an important decision or find inspiration for something, try gently resonating until your mind stops thinking about the problem. Often this gets the mind out of the way and up pops the answer you were looking for. It brings to question whether the mind is ever truly involved in decision making or actually just acquiesces to a process that happens deeper in the subconscious realms.